Today we're exploring the journey of Susan Wright, the Houston woman notoriously dubbed the Blue-Eyed Butcher after she stabbed her husband 193 times in 2003. Known for her sensational trial, which featured a dramatic courtroom reenactment of the crime on the couple's own blood-stained mattress, Wright has spent the last 2 decades at the center of a heated debate over self-defense versus calculated murder. So, where is Susan Wright now? Let's find out. Susan Wright's time in the public eye began with her 2004 conviction for the murder of her husband, Jeffrey Wright, whom she tied to their bed before the fatal attack. While she maintained she was a victim of years of abuse, a jury initially sentenced her to 25 years in prison. Following a successful appeal regarding ineffective counsel, her sentence was reduced to 20 years in 2010. After being denied parole twice, Wright was finally granted release in late 2020 after serving 16 years of her sentence, exiting the Lane Murray unit in Gatesville to begin her second chance at life. Since her release, Wright has maintained an extremely low profile, retreating from the intense media scrutiny that once surrounded her. Upon her initial return home, she requested privacy for herself and her family, choosing to live a quiet, anonymous life in Texas. For the first several years of her freedom, she was subject to super-intensive parole supervision, which included wearing a GPS ankle monitor, attending anger management counseling, and being prohibited from leaving the state. Where is Susan Wright now? As of now, Susan Wright is a free woman and is no longer under parole supervision. Her legal sentence officially concluded in February 2024, marking the end of her 20-year commitment to the state of Texas. She is believed to be residing in the Houston area, where she is focused on rebuilding her life and maintaining a private existence away from the true crime spotlight. Professionally, Wright has avoided any public-facing roles or media ventures, adhering to the quiet life she sought upon her release. While her case continues to be featured in documentaries and retrospective true crime specials such as the 2025 Texas Monthly Profile, she has not participated in these projects. In her personal life, she remains distanced from the 2 children she had with Jeffrey, who were adopted by their paternal uncle during her incarceration. Susan Wright has transformed from a notorious tabloid figure into a private citizen who has served her debt to society. While the haunting images of her trial remain a permanent part of true crime history, she continues to move forward in silence, prioritizing her anonymity and her fresh start above all else. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on your favorite figures and their journeys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.